So we hit up Insomnia cookies. We got 3 cookies that we're gonna give a shot today. First, we just have the basic snickerdoodle. You know, a little snap on there. Yeah, it's all right. About a 4 or 5 out of 10. All right, so next we're gonna do the peanut butter, like peanut butter chunk or peanut butter chip. It is a hefty cookie though. You can kind of see it's very different from the snickerdoodles kind of falling apart in my hand.
The break on it isn't too bad.
Those kind of melted peanut butter chips in there. Let's see what we got. That one, probably about 7 out of 10. That's it right there. All right, so final one is that caramel cookie.
What that caramel cookie's looking like.
Decent sized cookie for sure. Honestly, it's pretty good. Solid 7 out of 10. I think Insomnia